Hello guys, welcome back to Syeda'S vlog and happy weekend. Today we are going for shopping and we choose the place Ikea. So keep with us and see what is the best in Ikea. Finally guys, we are at here in Ikea and I'm so excited to see that what is the new stuff here. So we are decided to go upstairs because we can get the fully decorated room and we can get a lot of ideas how we will decorate our home as well. Yes guys, these sofas are the excellent sofas from Ikea because I need to share with you some of my personal experience because I bought it this one and it has a very excellent and good quality, and it's not taking too much place, and it's looking also so elegant in your living area. So if you are planning to buy some stuff kind of this, so this is the best ever you can consider. Thank you. Yes guys, we are just keep looking which one is the best for us. And this area is quite good in color combination, especially the sofa and the carpet, and it's very difficult to choose the things that which one is the best for your house because everything is looking so awesome. IKEA home is quite big. You need to take time to go here and there because every section have the different kind of decoration, and some area is looking like a home, like with the kitchen, with the bathroom and the living area. Everything is together, so you will get a lot of ideas. This combination is my favorite combination, white with beige. Awesome. And I love this leather sofas with a green couch blanket. Yes guys, this is the home that I told you that fully decorated in IKEA display. Especially the decoration and the color of the walls are looking so different and unique. And let's see the full apartment. Yes guys, I hope my video is a helpful video for you in your future. If you are going to renew your house or you are planning to decor your new house, Ikea is the best place. You can come and you can choose the things as you like. And I already bought it some stuff for my kitchen and my other areas. What are you going to buy?
We are going to buy this for our wall decor.
I'm thinking about putting this for decoration on top. Kind of like this, right?
Okay, thank you. I hope you like and enjoy my video, and this is the part 1 of the IKEA home video. So I will get back to you soon in my next part, IKEA part 2. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.